an hard life when you're working on the farm. Down on the farm, I don't need no alarm. I rise from me bed at 5:30. Around 6 o'clock, I puts on me smock. I'm feeling like Burlington Bertie. Out in the pen, there's a broody old hen. She is as wild as the tiger. You try to touch your egg and she'll bite off your leg. I feed her on faggots and cider.
La 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 la, oh-ah, oh-ah, they call me Farmer Bill's cowman. La 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 la, oh-ah, oh-ah, I'm proud to be Farmer Bill's cowman.
She were a proper little Rhode Island red, she were. I worked very hard out in the yard, squelching around in the muck, sir. I drink every night, plays tricks with me sight. I can't tell Drake from a duck, sir. I felt such a fool, tried milking the bull. He must have enjoyed it somehow, man. Now every day at 3 he comes and says, "Hi, free." That's why I'm Farmer Bill's cowman.
La 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 la, oh-ah, oh-ah, they call me Farmer Bill's cowman. La 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 la, oh-ah, oh-ah, I'm proud to be Farmer Bill's cowman.
I think he got his eye on eye. Day after day, I labor away as work in the cowshed keeps piling. With shovel and stick, I lays it on thick. In spite of the sight, I keep smiling. It were love at first sight, I loved her all right, but she were engaged to the plowman. Now I'm her debonair Somerset millionaire. I'm only Farmer